Hey guys, welcome to Kesan School of Language. Here I am your teacher Abdurrahman Kesan. Now I'm gonna teach you English language with oromiffa online. So if you want to really learn English language, join my YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay? And Barsisa Kesan Abdurrahman Kesan jedhama. Afaan Ingiliffaa afaan oromiffaatiin barsiisuudhaaf qophiidha jechuudha online. Dhugumatti yoo afaan Ingiliffaa keessan dandeettii afaan Ingiliffaa keessan cimsachuu barbaadan YouTube Kesan School of Language jedhu join godhaa achirraa argattu. Akkasumallee Facebook Abdurrahman Kesan jedhurraa argachuu dandeessu jechuudha. Afaan Ingiliffaa keessan manuma keessan teessanii data Wi-Fi fayyadamtanii dandeettii afaan Ingiliffaa keessan akka gabbifattan isiniin jedha. Now I'm gonna teach you today greeting. Here is my whiteboard, so I use this whiteboard and teach you English language online. Please follow me and stay with me. Here today we're gonna see greeting. First, what is greeting? Greeting means a salutation at meeting. Greeting jechuun namaan yoo walitti dhufne yookaan mootuu namaan yoo wal quunnamne namaan yeroo wal geenye nagaa nuti isaaniif kenninu sun greeting jedhama jechuudha. Salutation jedhan afaan biraatiin. Salutation jechuun actually it is a French word. It came from derived from French word salute, which means greet. So jechi kunis jecha afaan Ingiliffaatiin wal qabataa jechuudha. Salute, greeting, offering salutation. So greeting jechuun afaan keenyatti nagaa wal gaafachuu yeroo namaa wal quunnamne kan nuti dhiyeessinu sun greeting jedhama jechuudha. Kanaafuu amma directumaan kallattumaan gara barnoota keenya har'aatti deemnaa jechuudha. Nagaa wal gaafachuu afaan Ingiliffaatiin maal akka ta'e ilaallaa jechuudha. Okay guys, here greeting divide into two in English language, also in other language like Oromiffa and Amharic. There are two categories. The first one is formal greeting, and the second one is informal greeting. When we say formal greeting, it is a greeting which has polite expressions. Okay? Informal greeting is the greeting that we offer for our friends, or among our friends. So we have two categories in greeting: formal greeting and informal greeting. Okay? Afaan Ingiliffaa keessatti karaan nagaa ittiin jennu karaa lamatu jira. Innillee formal fi informal jedhama jechuudha. Formal kan jennuun kan kabaja qabu, kan namoota kabaja qabaniif dhiyeessan, akkasumallee kan waajjiraalee mootummaaf yookaan wantoota gurguddaadhaaf nageenyi dhiyeessinu formal greeting isa sirrii jechuudha. Informal jechuun mootuu kan hiriyoota keenyaan namoota walitti dhiyaannuun dhiyeessinu jechuudha akka taphaatti. Informal kan jedhu kan kabaja hin qabne, polite kan hin qabne jechuudha. Now let us see number one. The first one is formal greeting. Isa sirrii ilaalla jechuudha. Nagaa sirrii gunamaan jennu formal kan ta'e kami, informal kan ta'e kam jennee adda baasnee beekuu qabna jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf tokkoffaa irratti hello plus title. Okay? Hello Mr. John. You can say hello Mr. John. This is informal greeting, okay? I mean that formal greeting. Hello Mr. John. Hello teacher. Hello doctor, etc. Hello, Mr. John. Hello, teacher. Hello, a student. Hello, doctor. Akanin jechuu dandeenya jechuudha. It's very formal greeting, okay? The second one is, good morning. Good morning is a formal greeting. Akkam bultan, akkam bulte, formal greeting, okay? And the other one is good afternoon. Good afternoon, also informal greeting. Good afternoon. Okay. Akkam oltan. Good afternoon. Akkam oltan. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. This is also formal greeting. Okay. Good evening means galgala jechuudha. Waari galgal. Akkam waareffattan jedhama afaan Oromiffaatiin galgalte akkam jiru. And the other one is how are you? Okay. How are you? It is formal. It can be informal, similar. Okay, so how are you? Akka afaan Amaariffaatiin ጤና ይስጥልኝ jechuu kan immoo nagaa jirtu akkam nagaa jirtu formal greeting jechuudha. Now let us see response, okay? Deebii kanneenii halaallu jechuudha asumaan formal greeting dhaaf deebii isa. Hello Mr. John, yoo namni tokko hello Mr. Khan, hello Mr. Abdurrahman, etc. You can, okay? Hello teacher, hello student, you can reply the same. Good morning at the same, okay, response. You can reply by saying good morning, okay? Doesn't matter. Good afternoon, when someone offers you good afternoon, you can reply good afternoon, okay? The other one is good evening, you can say good evening. But here, how are you? When someone offers you greeting by saying how are you, you can say thanks God, I'm fine. You can say, thanks God, I'm great. You can say simply, I'm great, thank you. So, now let us come to informal greeting. Informal greeting jechuun nageenya hiriyaa jidduutti jennu jechuudha kan yookaan kabaja kan hin qabne informal sirrii kan hin taane jechuu karaa biraatiin. Here you can say, how are things? How are things? Okay, this is actual greeting. How are things? Akkam nagaa. Wantoonni akkam jechuudha nagaa jechuudha wannate informal greeting jalatti ramadamu jechuudha. The second one is how is it going? Okay, how is it going? Kunillee akkam nagaa fayyada akkam deemu jira haalli akkam jechuudha wannate nagaa jechuudha. The other one is how are you doing? Okay, how are you doing? Okay, how are you doing? Akkam gochuu jirta yookaan akkam hojjechuu jirta osoo hin taane kan isaa nagaa informal greeting kan jennu san jechuudha. Where is new? The other one is, okay, where is new? Okay, what is new? Wanti haaraa maaltu jira? Nagaa jechuudha. Where is new, brother? Okay. And the other one is, what is happening? Okay, where is happening? My brother, oh, what is happening? Kunniin informal greetings jedhama jechuudha. Okay. Now let us see respond. Okay. Of informal greeting. When someone offers you, how are things? Oh, everything is nice, pretty good, not bad, you can say. Okay, wanti hunduu gaariidha shaggaadha nagaa jechuu dandeessaa jechuudha. The other one is here. What is going? How it's going? Oh, everything is going well. Everything is good. Everything is great. You can reply. Okay. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing great. Nice, great. Thanks God. I'm doing great. You can say. Other one is, what is new? Okay, what is new? Nothing special. Nothing new. You can say. Okay, the other one is, what is happening? No, just like before, nothing special, you can say, okay? Kunniin informal greeting warroota jedhaman. Fakkeenyaaf kan biraas jiru, what's up? Okay, what's up? You can say, what's up? Okay, what's new? What's up? It's all the same. Informal greeting. You can say, when someone offers you by saying, what's up? You can reply, what's up? Okay? afaan amaariffaatiin fakkeenyaaf namni እንዴት ነው ዮሲንጀር እንደዛው ነው ማለት ትችላለህ ኩንለ what up is like that or for what up nothing special as before you can say. Okay, the other thing I'm greeting I'm gonna tell you is when you are know each other before you can say, how do you do? It's very formal greeting. And this, okay? How do you do, brother? You can reply the same, how do you do? Because you don't know each other before. So, for the first time, when you meet with someone, he may offer you greeting by saying, how do you do, my brother? You can reply, how do you do? This all are about greeting. So, please rehearse it, memorize it, okay? Kun ontap alalekun wahe nagawal gafachuti saganta bratin hangolitti debinutti nagati nutra. This all about my today's class. Until next time, thank you.